Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Ishad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is answers to allegations on compilation of Quran. Few lies about compilation of the Quran. The Quran was compiled by Khalifa Umar the other people they say no, it was Khalifa Usman and others say no, it was Khalifa Hazrat Ali at that time. Since before that it was written on leaf, stones, and leathers, etc. They claim. Number two, Imam Mehdi will bring missing Jews part of the Quran. To write Quran on stones, you need a big city, whole city. It's lots of verses, lots of chapters, lots of things. You need a whole city to write it on the stones. Clothing technology, as per human estimate, could be 500,000, 5 lakh saal, 500,000 years ago. While invention of paper technology was also very old, could be 4,000, 5,000, maybe 6,000 years old. Torah, for the first 10 commandments came on stones, tablets, but later on whole Torah in steps came and written on paper. And paper, that was like a thread you wind in the for the kite. It's rollover papers, rollover books. Allah has revealed many books and booklets on paper before Quran. As per Jewish belief, 10 commandments came on stone, but later whole book, the Torah, came on paper in 15th century before Christ. And it was rollable. Hypocrites are always trying to deviate Muslims from the Quran. However, the Quran was compiled, collected, and explained by Allah through Angel Gabriel in the presence of Prophet Muhammad to Prophet Muhammad, and will be protected till the day of judgment without any doubt. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 2, verse 2, chapter 5, verse 3, chapter 15, verse 9, chapter 25, verse 16 to 19. Anyone who denies it don't deserve to be called as Muslim. Quran is the best hadith, authentic hadith. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 39, verse 23. A kind of manual printing press for reproduction was established by Khalifa Umar, Hazrat Umar, since Islam expanded enormously at that time and Ummah was growing and they need immediate reproduction of Quran. Like a printing press, printing and distributing more and more. If anything is completed, does it need any addition or subtraction or alteration? The absolute answer to this is only and only no. The copies of the Quran in the Haram, Kaaba, Masjid Nabi, and all, even in many hadiths, many masjids you will find is same, are the most authentic and will always be. Any allegations comes, we must use our X-ray eyes, ears, with the help of Quran in the Haram. If you find any older pieces of the Quran that could be left over from the ancient old time recycle system, which could have many leftovers, do not be emotional, just discard them without wasting your time and others' time. In every masjid, whatever you find the Quran, they have Arab in the Quran, Zabar, their page, like dashes. On this topic, I will write and speak later on in detail that whatever people claim that Arabs, they don't have Quran like this one, but it's not true. The authentic copy, which was coming from Prophet Muslim to Abu Bakr and passing on to other Khalifas, that had always with the Arabs, the Zabar Pesh dashes, and that is preserved. You don't find any preserved Quran which does not have uh, Arab, Zabar and Pesh. And at old time, like in Urdu, we have Arab, Zabar Pesh, like dashes. But when we write each other, we don't write. We have our books. Same thing is in Arab. There were two things were going on. One, recording the Quran. The other people's spoken languages. So Quran was with the Arab, with the Zabar page, with the dashes. But writing, people's writing was without Arab, without Zabar page. And sometimes people, they write one surah or one ayat or little bit transferring or recording locally for themselves. That was there without Arab. But that was not government official. Allah protected only government officials' Quran, which has Arab, Zabar, and Peace, etc. I hope it will make Kilware, and in future, whenever I get time, I will try to record more, give more references. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.